So formally, once again, welcome everyone. Welcome for today's session. We are doing Flamboyant 2026. And this is the session where we are really trying that we make maximum utilization of the remaining days that we have in 2025. We remove our negative energies and we bring in the positive energies. So as I just said, one of my acquaintances, he was not getting a joining letter from a long time. He just did the forgiveness prayer, and then he has got his joining letter in 2025 itself. So probably he is like, in the process, he is going to start the 2026 with his work, with everything in a new city, having his own earning, his own income, everything like that. So can you imagine what forgiveness can do to you? It can really remove your blockages. It can remove a lot of your negative karma and help you generate the positive karma for 2026. So that is exactly our topic today. Our topic, we have covered a lot of topics. So just in case any of you are joining for the first time, please watch the recordings before. They are all on YouTube. We have covered why to do forgiveness, how forgiveness helps. We've covered internal forgiveness and external forgiveness. We've covered whether, like what is the difference between asking and giving forgiveness. We've covered all of that. And we have also started doing the 7 into 7 forgiveness. Today, we introduce to you a new, not new, but another tool, a very powerful tool, and that is called the gratitude prayer. So forgiveness is like cleansing. Gratitude is like energizing. So when you practice forgiveness, you are removing your negativity, you're removing your blockages, you're removing your past negative karma, and you're creating a vacuum out there, right? So when you're creating a vacuum, you need to put something into that vacuum. So what do we do in general? We do the twin heart meditation just after forgiveness to fill in the good energy. Today we are introducing one more powerful tool, that is gratitude prayer. जब भी हम ग्रैटिट्यूड बोलते हैं ना, हम थैंक यू बोलते हैं, ये अपने आप में, या अगर हम इसे एक छोटे से प्रेयर की तरह बोलते हैं, तो ये अपने आप में इतना शक्तिशाली हो जाता है कि हम फॉरगिवनेस करके जो नेगेटिव एनर्जी को हटाते हैं, हमने खाली जगह क्रिएट की, नेगेटिव एनर्जी हटाए, खाली जगह क्रिएट की, वहां हम जब ग्रैटिट्यूड की एनर्जी भरते हैं तो एक बहुत खूबसूरत सा पेड़ निकल के आता है, द tree of success, the tree of love, the tree of happiness, the tree of generating more and more positive karma. So if you actually have to grow a tree, what is the process of growing a tree? You have to first dig the ground, right? So when you're digging the ground, you're removing whatever was there inside. So that is like forgiveness. You're digging the ground, you're removing whatever was inside. You're purifying, you're removing the pests, you're removing the weeds. You're cleaning up the ground. That is forgiveness. Now you have to bring in a new tree, right? So you have to put in the seeds. The seeds is gratitude. जब हम बीज बोते हैं ना, एक अच्छी बीज हमें बोना है, जाते उससे एक अच्छा पेड़ निकले, दैट इज ग्रैटिट्यूड का बीज, थैंक यू बोलने का बीज, शुक्रिया कहने का बीज. So whenever you say thank you for anything, you are ensuring that more and more of that is going to come into your life. So if I say thank you, God, for good health, I will get more and more of good health. If I say thank you, God, for the prosperity and abundance, I'm going to get more and more prosperity and abundance. If I say thank you, God, for the happy relationships that I have around, I will get more and more happier relationships. जिस चीज के लिए आप थैंक यू बोलोगे, वो चीज आपके लाइफ में बढ़ती जाएगी, वो चीज और आती रहेगी. It is a very simple thing. I give you a chocolate today and you really show me gratitude. You really tell me thank you 10 times for that one chocolate. I will also feel, Arey, it's just a small chocolate. Why are you telling me 10 times thank you? But it is going to remain in my mind that this small chocolate was so important for this person. Let me get this person another chocolate. है कि नहीं? But on the contrary, there is another guy or another child, another baby who comes to you, and you give that person the chocolate, and the person takes it and goes away. Will you, for the second time, even think, okay, I have to get another chocolate for the same boy or the same girl? You will also forget it. It is immaterial to you. It is not important to you. You gave a baby a chocolate. The baby took it and went away. Forget the whole story. You will not be bothered about the baby anymore. You will not be bothered about the chocolate anymore. But contrary, if a child gets the chocolate and every 10 minutes comes and tells you, thank you for the chocolate, I am so happy I got the chocolate, goes away. Again, after half an hour comes and tells you, thank you for the chocolate, I was really happy I got the chocolate, I'm having it, huh? Again, goes away. Tomorrow comes and tells you, thank you for the chocolate, huh? I'm really, really so thankful to you that you give me that chocolate. Oh God, this little baby is so happy with the chocolate. You'll go and get another chocolate for the baby. For that particular boy or that particular girl or that particular child, you will actually take the effort. You will go and get another chocolate. है कि नहीं है? आप खुद सोचो, मैं स्पिरिचुअल बातें नहीं कर रही हूं यहाँ पे, मैं ध्यान ज्ञान की बातें नहीं कर रही हूं, मैं ये जो भी मैं बोल रही हूँ यूनिवर्सल रूल्स एंड यूनिवर्सल लॉज है. आप किसी के लिए खाना बनाते हो, बंदा खाता है और चला जाता है, आपके लिए नॉर्मल बात होगी है ना, कोई फर्क ही नहीं पड़ा. पर एक बंदा खाना खाता है और आपकी इतनी तारीफ करता है, इतनी तारीफ करता है, आपको इतना थैंक यू बोलता है कि मेरी रूह तक पहुंचा है आपका ये खाना, आपने किसी भूखे इंसान को खाना खिलाया, मुझे इतना अच्छा लगा आपका खाना, आपको 10 बार आपको थैंक यू बोलता है उसके लिए. आपका मन नहीं करेगा कि आप उस इंसान के लिए अगले दिन भी खाना बनाओ, और अच्छा खाना बनाओ, दिल से एकदम खाना बनाओ, उससे पूछो कि अरे तुम बोलो ना तुमको क्या खाने में आता है, हम तुम्हारे लिए वही बनाएंगे. करोगे कि नहीं करोगे आप ये उस इंसान के लिए? पर जो खाना खा के चला गया, आपको थैंक यू नहीं बोला, आप भी बॉदर नहीं करोगे. आया, खाना खाया, चल दिया, खत्म बात. सो ये यूनिवर्सल लॉज है. This is not anything to do with spirituality, with religion, whether a Hindu, you are a Jew, you are a Christian, you are a Bengali, a Muslim, a baby, a elderly person, you're a man, you're a woman. It doesn't matter. It's a universal law. So you need to say thank you for whatever you have got from the universe also. Thank you for the breath that we are taking. Those people who cannot breathe properly, those people who are gasping for every single breath, they know how much value one single, pure, unadulterated, pain-free breath means. आप और मैं रोज सांस लेते हैं, इसलिए आप और मैं सांस की वैल्यू नहीं समझते हैं. जो इंसान सांस नहीं ले पाता है, उससे आप पूछो कि एक क्लियर सांस लेना, बिना दर्द के, बिना तकलीफ के, एक क्लियर सांस लेना कितना वैल्यूएबल है. So we have to be feeling grateful for every single pure, unadulterated, pain-free breath that we are being able to take. We should be thankful for the water that we are being able to drink. We should be thankful for the food that we are being able to eat. We should be thankful for the money which we have. Now, I'm giving these examples because these examples will make you feel more and more, you will realize the practical reality around you. Okay. So, few days back, I was counseling a person who was really having a difficult time, very difficult time. And when I was counseling the person, I myself felt that, oh my God, this person is so much in trouble. This person is suffering so much. Perhaps I have not seen a person with such difficult situation ever in my life. I felt, and this happened, if I'm not wrong, today is Monday, right? So this happened somewhere on Wednesday or Thursday. I was talking to this person, I was counseling, and I realized that this person is a lot of trouble. बहुत तकलीफ में है ये इंसान, और मुझे खुद को लगा कि शायद मैंने आज तक इतना ट्रबल में एक इंसान को देखा नहीं है. So I was very touched. You know what happened on Saturday? Another person came for counseling. And now, when I was talking to this guy on Saturday, I was like, oh my God, that guy on Wednesday and Thursday was lucky. This guy has more problem. सैटरडे को जो बंदा आया मेरे पास, वो इतना ट्रबल लेके आया, इतना प्रॉब्लम लेके आया, मेरे को लगा यार जो थर्सडे को आया था वो तो बहुत लकी है. इस इंसान का तकलीफ तो मेरे से सुना नहीं जा रहा है, मेरे से सहा नहीं जा रहा है. So because I'm counseling so many people every day, I am realizing the difference. And compared to everybody, now I feel I am one of the luckiest people on this earth. Jabki 8 years back, I used to feel I am one of the unluckiest person in the world. Nobody can have a sadder life than me. Nobody can have as much problem as me. But now I feel completely different. So why am I sharing this with you? I know all of us, there are 63 of us out here, all of us would be having problems in our life. All of us would be having challenges. हम सबके जिंदगी में कुछ फिजिकल तकलीफ है, कुछ इमोशनल तकलीफ है, कुछ फाइनेंशियल तकलीफ है, कुछ रिलेशनशिप तकलीफ है. परफेक्ट किसी की जिंदगी नहीं होती. बट whatever you have in your life, show gratitude for that. Be grateful for anything and everything that you have in your life. Even if it is something less, even if it is something that is troubling you. हो सकता है कि आपको लग रहा है कि मेरा शरीर आज परफेक्ट नहीं है, शरीर में दर्द है, पेन है, सम डिजीज है, इलनेस है, सिकनेस है. But believe me, you are still better than 1 billion people in earth who are suffering more than you. So just say thank you for whatever you have. If you have a terrible pain in your arms, but your legs are fine, say thank you for a healthy leg. That is what I'm trying to tell you. If your left eye has a disease, your right eye is healthy, say thank you for the right eye. That's all. That's what I'm trying to tell you. अगर आपके पास एक बहुत बड़ा बंगलो नहीं है, लेकिन सर छुपाने के लिए एक अच्छा खासा छत है, say thank you for that. Just say thank you for whatever you have in your life. More and more of that is going to come to your life. If your right eye is healthy, left eye has a disease, keep saying thank you for the right eye. You will see eventually your left eye will also get healed. Because now God is going to see that, acha, the right eye is healthy, and see this child of mine is saying thank you for whatever is healthy. Chalo, let me make the left eye also healthy. That is the universal law, universal rule. It's not going to be different for anyone. You have a small little house. You say thank you for this small little house. ये मेरा घर है. Thank you भगवान जी कि आपने मुझे ये घर दिया. आपने मुझे सर छुपाने के लिए जगह दी. यही घर आपको बड़ा हो जाएगा. If you are being able to travel in public transport, you don't have your own car, you don't have your own vehicle, you're traveling in public transport. You say, thank you, Bhagwan ji, that I at least have so much of money that I'm traveling in public transport. Tomorrow you'll be able to buy a bike. Later you'll be able to buy a car, and then you have to grow that car. Say thank you for the car, you'll get a bigger car. This is the universal law. It is not dhyan gyan, it is not religious, it is not connected to spirituality. This is the scientific rule by which the universe works. It will work for you, it will work for me. It has already worked for me n number of times. So if you have been connected to me over all my sessions, I have taken sessions of 100 gratitude. I have taken huge long gratitude sessions. The 100 gratitude which we had done, if you were there, if you remember it, I think that was one of the best sessions ever. And people were literally crying and laughing. And after that, I don't know how many feedbacks I have got that people have really, really achieved many, many things in their life. which otherwise was becoming difficult. And my life is standing on the two pillars of forgiveness and gratitude. So today we will practice it. Today we will say sorry for our mistakes 7 times. We will forgive people. We will ask for forgiveness. हम अपने कर्मा का न्यूट्रलाइजेशन करेंगे, हम अपने कर्म को चेंज करने की कोशिश करेंगे, हम लेसन्स लर्न करने की कोशिश करेंगे कि हमें क्या नहीं करना था, क्या कर रहे हैं, क्या किसको माफ करना है, क्यों माफ करना है, इंटरनली माफ करना है, एक्सटर्नली माफ करना है. That's one part. And we also say thank you. We will say thank you for as many things possible. We will convert it into a prayer. Now, before we start that, I will just take 2, 3, 4 minutes more and I will share a small story with you, which I have shared earlier. If you remember, we had done a session on the secrets of karma. We were doing a book reading, right? So in that, we had this small little story. I will try to find it out once again and put it up in the group also today. But before that, I'll just share it with you. So this is a small story on gratitude. That there was a little bird, okay, small little birdie. So that bird was in a forest, in a desert kind of a place, okay. So there was only sand and sand everywhere. सारी तरफ सिर्फ धूला धूला था, सिर्फ मट्टी था, sand था, क्योंकि वो desert में था. एकदम अकेला था, completely lonely, scared, didn't have water to drink, didn't have friends, didn't have anything. There was this dark nights and the birdie was very, very sad. So one day, angel, an angel came to the bird and looked at the bird and said that, see, I am going to heaven. Do you want any help from heaven? So the birdie said, go to heaven and ask, when will my sufferings end? When will my sufferings come to a closure? When will I see the daylight? When will I get water? When will I get some help? So the angel went away to heaven, and in the heaven, the angel spoke to to the God and came back. Now the God said, this birdie has a lot of suffering in life. At least 7 years of suffering is written in this bird's life. 7 years, nothing good will happen to the bird. Nothing good is going to come. No water, no help. The bird has to suffer for 7 more years. Now the angel, the angel's heart was paining to say this to the bird, but he was just conveying the message. He did it. So the bird was sad and was listening to the story, the 7 more years of suffering. Now the God also said, there is one thing that the birdie can do. The bird can say, thank you, God, for everything. Whenever the bird falls into trouble, the whole day, the bird has to just say, thank you, God, for everything. So the bird listened to it, and as it is, the bird knew 7 years of suffering is left. What do I have to do? I have to just be this way. 7 साल का सफरिंग जिंदगी में लिखा है, करना ही पड़ेगा. तो भगवान जी ने क्या कहा कि आप बोलो, thank you, God, for everything. That's it. Now the bird started doing that. Whenever the bird felt thirsty, did not find water, he said, thank you, God, for everything. Whenever the bird fell down from a tree or fell down from somewhere, got hurt, he said, thank you, God, for everything. Whenever the bird was in darkness, no light, he's getting scared, he said, thank you, God, for everything. And he just kept doing that. 7 days later, when that same angel was passing through that desert, what did the angel see? The angel saw that the bird was literally chirping and flying around. There was a little pond there, a little pond which had water. There were little shoots of trees coming up in the desert. And the bird was singing and dancing and playing around and playing. So the angel came to the bird and said, what went on? What happened? It's just 7 days and you look so different. So the bird said, I don't know. I just kept on saying, thank you, God, for everything. And things around me started changing. So जब उस birdie ने हर चीज के लिए थैंक यू कहा, गिरा तो थैंक यू कहा, दर्द हुई तो थैंक यू कहा, रोना आया तो थैंक यू कहा, प्यास लगा पानी नहीं था तो थैंक यू कहा. जो 7 साल का सफरिंग था उसके जिंदगी में, वो 7 दिन में बदलने लग गया. So everything is in the hand of God. Everything is in the hand of the universe. I know life is not easy. I know things might not be going well. But instead of complaining, if we convert the complaint into gratitude, perhaps a lot can change in our life. With the energy of gratitude, a lot can change. So from ever since I read that story, everything around me rotates like, thank you, God, for everything. That's what I keep doing every single day. The bigger problem I have, the more thank you I say. And it works miracles for me. So that's what even I will share with you. I will share right up that's the book also in the group. And from today, we will start the journey forgiveness with gratitude. Let's see what happens in our life. Let's see if we can really turn around things in our life with this gratitude and forgiveness before 2025 ends and before we walk into 2026. Okay, so just a small suggestion to everyone, just in case you cannot attend the session every day, please do the forgiveness and the gratitude. Do not skip that. सेशन में बैठेंगे तो ही करेंगे ऐसा मत सोचिए कभी हो सकता है कि आप 4:30 बजे अवेलेबल नहीं हो प्लीज आप अपना थैंक यू प्रेयर अपना ग्रेटिट्यूड प्रेयर अपना फॉरगिवनेस प्रेयर जरूर कर ले वैसे भी ये वीडियोस यूट्यूब पे चले जाते हैं तो आप उनको भी फॉलो करके कर सकते हो या आप खुद से भी कर सकते हो बट डोंट स्किप इट okay because hardly about how much 33 34 days left right for the 35 days left for the new year so let's make maximum utilization of it okay so let's start with our forgiveness prayer I request everyone gently close your eyes relax. Inhale and exhale slowly gently be aware that you are not this body you are a beautiful white light the white light is pure the white light is permanent forever and ever. You are doing this forgiveness not as the body, but as the soul, as the beautiful white light. Now imagine another big, gigantic, big white light in front of you. This white light belongs to all the souls you were connected over all your incarnations. Very humbly, put your hands in front of your heart and say, Atma Namaste. I, the soul, humbly salute the divinity within each one of you. We are all children of God and we all make mistakes. It's okay to make mistakes. No one is perfect. So I forgive you for all your mistakes. I forgive you for all the hurt and pain that you have ever given to me. I forgive you for now. I forgive you forever. I forgive you for all your mistakes at the physical, emotional, mental, verbal, financial, sexual, or spiritual levels. You're completely forgiven. Go in peace. Go in peace. Go in peace. Please forgive me for my mistakes as well. Forgive me for the hurt and pain that I could have given to you. Forgive me for not being the way you wanted me to be. Forgive me if I have made any mistakes at the physical, emotional, mental, verbal, financial, sexual, or spiritual ways. I am truly, deeply, sincerely sorry for my mistakes. I do not wish to repeat my mistakes. I cannot even imagine hurting people in this incarnation. I'm learning my lessons. I'm growing. I'm evolving. Please forgive me. May the Divine Supreme God bless us all with His love, mercy, compassion, and forgiveness. May the Divine Supreme God neutralize all our negative karma. May peace be with each one of you. May peace be with me. Om Shanti 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 Om. Atma Namaste. I, the soul, humbly salute the divinity within each one of you. We are all children of God and we all make mistakes. I forgive each and every one of you for your mistakes. I forgive you for the hurt and pain that you have ever caused to me. You are all forgiven. Go in peace, go in peace, go in peace. Please forgive me for my mistakes. Forgive me for the hurt and pain that I have ever caused to you. Forgive me if I have ever given you any hurt and pain in this incarnation or in any other incarnation. I am truly, deeply, sincerely sorry for my mistakes. May the Divine Supreme God bless us all with His love, mercy, compassion, and forgiveness. May the Divine Supreme God neutralize all our negative karma. May peace be with each one of you. May peace be with me. Om Shanti 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 Om. Atma Namaste. I, the soul, humbly salute the divinity within each one of you. We are all children of God and we all make mistakes. I forgive you for all your mistakes. I forgive you for the hurt and pain that you have ever given to me. You are forgiven. Go in peace. Go in peace. Go in peace. Please forgive me for my mistakes as well. Forgive me for the hurt and pain that I would have ever caused to you. I am truly, deeply, sincerely sorry for my mistakes. May the Divine Supreme God bless us all with His love, mercy, compassion, and forgiveness. May the Divine Supreme God neutralize all our negative karma. May peace be with each one of you. May peace be with me. Om Shanti 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 Om. Atma Namaste. I, the soul, humbly salute the divinity within each one of you. We are all children of God and we all make mistakes. I forgive you for all your mistakes. I forgive you for all the hurt and pain that you have ever given to me. You are completely forgiven. Go in peace, go in peace, go in peace. Please forgive me for my mistakes as well. Forgive me for the hurt and pain that I have ever caused to you. I am truly, deeply, sincerely sorry for my mistakes. May the Divine Supreme God bless us all with His love, mercy, compassion, and forgiveness. May the Divine Supreme God neutralize all our negative karma. May peace be with each one of you. May peace be with me. Om Shanti 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 Om. Atma Namaste. I, the soul, humbly salute the divinity within each one of you. We are all children of God and we all make mistakes. I forgive you for all your mistakes. I forgive you for the hurt and pain that you have ever caused to me. You are completely forgiven. Go in peace. Go in peace. Go in peace. Please forgive me for my mistakes as well. Forgive me for the hurt and pain that I have ever caused to you. I am truly, deeply, sincerely sorry for my mistakes. May the Divine Supreme God bless us all with His love, mercy, compassion, and forgiveness. May the Divine Supreme God neutralize all our negative karma. May peace be with each one of you. May peace be with me. Om Shanti 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 Om. Atma Namaste. I, the soul, humbly salute the divinity within each one of you. We are all children of God and we all make mistakes. I completely forgive you for all your mistakes. I forgive you for all the hurt and pain that you have ever caused to me. You're completely forgiven. Go in peace, go in peace, go in peace. Please forgive me for my mistakes. Please forgive me for the hurt and pain that I could have ever caused to you. I'm truly, deeply, sincerely sorry for my mistakes. May the Divine Supreme God bless us all with His love, mercy, compassion, and forgiveness. May the Divine Supreme God neutralize all our negative karma. May peace be with each one of you. May peace be with me. Om Shanti 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 Om. The seventh and the last time. Atma Namaste. I, the soul, humbly salute the divinity within each one of you. We are all children of God and we all make mistakes. I forgive you for each and every mistake. I forgive you for all the hurt and pain that you have ever given to me. I forgive you for now and forever. You're completely forgiven. Go in peace, go in peace, go in peace. Please forgive me for my mistakes as well. Forgive me for the hurt and pain that I could have ever given to you in this incarnation or in any other incarnation. I am truly, deeply, sincerely sorry for my mistakes. May the Divine Supreme God bless us all with His love, mercy, compassion, and forgiveness. May the Divine Supreme God neutralize all our negative karma. May peace be with each one of you. May peace be with me. Om Shanti 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 Om. And all the negative thoughts connected to us, we cut, we cut, we cut. Inhale and exhale slowly, gently. Inhale, be aware of your heart. Exhale, be aware of your crown and release, let go. Once again, inhale, be aware of your heart chakra. Exhale, be aware of your crown, release and let go. Last time, inhale, be aware of your heart. Exhale, be aware of your crown, release and let go. Now let us do the gratitude prayer. Be super, super humble to the Supreme God, Divine Father, Divine Mother, to the entire universe, to the higher beings, to the great, great ones, to my spiritual teachers. Thank you, thank you, thank you for everything. Thank you for giving me this birth, this incarnation. Thank you for giving me this physical body. Thank you for giving me the family, the friends, the relatives. Thank you for giving me everything, the physical thing that you have given me. Thank you for my home. Thank you for my family. Thank you for all the physical benefits that I'm receiving. Thank you for the car. Thank you for all the food. Thank you for all the water that I have. Thank you for all the pure breath, pure oxygen that I'm inhaling. Thank you for the nature. Thank you to Mother Nature. Thank you for giving us all the benefits from Mother Nature. Thank you for every single day that I have waken up. Thank you for every single night that I could sleep. Thank you for every single thing that I have materialistically received. Thank you for all the money. Thank you for the job. Thank you for the work, the business, the profession, the career. Thank you for each and every jewelry, each and every gold, each and every diamond, each and everything that I have received. Thank you for all the bank balance. Thank you for all the money that I have. Thank you for every single day when I and my family did not have to go hungry for the food that we got. Thank you for all the opportunities that we have received. Thank you for all the education, the knowledge that we have. Thank you for the religion that I'm born into. Thank you for all the teachings. that I have received from my parents, from people around, from the universe, from school, from college, from education. Thank you for all the degrees that I have. Thank you for all the beautiful relationships that I have. Thank you for my parents, my siblings, my friends. Thank you for the spouse, for a happy married life. Thank you for blessing me with all good friends. Thank you for blessing me with all the right emotions, patience, calmness, tolerance, love, happiness, joy. Thank you for every single moment of a happy feeling that I've ever felt. Thank you for even teaching me what are wrong. Thank you for giving me the challenges in my life, which has helped me grow and evolve. Thank you for solving those challenges in my life. Thank you for blessing me with courage, with good self esteem. Thank you for blessing me with all the positive qualities, the talents that I have in my life. Thank you for blessing me with every happy moment. Thank you for blessing me with every happy tear. Thank you for blessing me with support, with guidance, with protection. Thank you for every single time when I fell down and you picked me up. And thank you for every single time, for hundreds and hundreds of times when you didn't let me fall down. Maybe I didn't even realize those moments that there was a struggle, there was a pitfall, there was a place where I had to fall, but you stopped me from falling. I didn't even realize those hundreds and thousands of moments when nothing wrong happened in my life. I took them for granted. But thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you for saving me those hundreds and thousands of times. Thank you for each and every time when I did not say thank you and you still loved me and you still protected me and you still cared for me. Thank you for accepting all my mistakes. Thank you for the forgiveness that you keep giving to me. Thank you for blessing me, guiding me, helping me hundreds and thousands of times, even without my own awareness. Thank you, God, for everything. Thank you, God, for everything. Thank you, God, for everything. I'm super, super grateful for the things that I know, I understand, I realize. And I'm super, super grateful for even those things which I don't know, I don't understand, and I don't realize. What you silently do for me. Thank you for everything. Deep, deep gratitude. Deep, deep respect. And deep, deep love to the Supreme God, to the universal forces, to the angels, to my spiritual teachers, to the great, great ones, to my spiritual guides. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Inhale and exhale slowly and gently. Be aware of your heart, be aware of your crown. Be aware that even at this very moment, as you say thank you, tremendous energy is coming down to you. You are already being blessed multiple folds, multiple times. Accept the energies. Be super, super receptive. Smile. Be aware that as you smile, more and more smiles are coming your way. Now together we shall invoke. May the beautiful energy of the Twin Hearts meditation, the love, light, and power of the Twin Heart meditation help us, heal us, remove all our blockages, and bless us with more happiness, more joy, more gratitude in our hearts. May we, the souls, be healed in this Twin Heart meditation. In full faith, so be it.